Next condensation is benzoin condensation. This is for aromatic aldehydes only. जो benzoin condensation है, this is only for aromatic aldehydes. This is for only aromatic aldehydes. And second thing, कौन से aromatic aldehydes? Those which does not have alpha hydrogen, which do not have alpha hydrogens. जिनके पास अल्फा हाइड्रोजन नहीं है, aromatic aldehydes, वो benzoin condensation reaction देते हैं. So for example, we have this benzaldehyde. This is the benzaldehyde. Suppose this is benzaldehyde, and we know that in benzaldehyde this alpha carbon does not contain any alpha hydrogen. So यहाँ पर कोई भी alpha hydrogen atom is absent here. तो जितने भी aromatic aldehydes हैं, they will go for benzoin condensation. They do not contain alpha hydrogen, first condition, and this reaction it take place in presence of we get this Cn minus ion. So it is the dimerization actual में जो benzaldehyde है, we are using this two molecules of benzaldehyde. Here pH stand for C6H5. So it is the dimerization of the benzaldehyde under the catalytic effect of this cyanidine. So cyanidine is required for this reaction, and the product is known as benzoin. This product is named as the benzoin. Now let's see the mechanism of this reaction. First of all, what we are using? We are using this alcoholic KCN. तो alcoholic KCN से क्या मिला? K plus and Cn minus ion. So this Cn minus ion will act as a nucleophile. This is electron rich species, so it will act as a nucleophile, and again the reaction mechanism is the same. So when electrons are transferred over the oxygen, so this carbon become electron deficient, so this nucleophile or Cn minus ion या cyanidine that will attack over this electron deficient carbon atom, and this is the nucleophilic addition reaction. So now this oxygen will get this negative charge here, accumulation of negative charge on this oxygen atom, and then when this oxygen is take this hydrogen atom, it will change into the OH, and now the electron density is come on this carbon, so it become the carbanion. So there is the formation of this A that is converted into this carbanion, and it is stabilized by the formation of another resonating structure. Then when we use the structure, the reaction intermediate form, carbanion form is A. Now what is this? Now this will again act as a nucleophile here. Why? Because now this carbon has the negative charge here, so this carbon is now electron rich here, so it will act as a nucleophile, and this will react with another molecule of the benzaldehyde by the same process. Electrons will transfer over this oxygen atom, and this will attack over this carbon. So again there is a new bond formation between these two carbon atoms, and there is a negative charge on this oxygen atom, and structure, suppose structure we can say C or structure D, these are in equilibrium. What happened? This hydrogen is take place by this O minus, so it will convert it into OH, and this oxygen is converted into O minus. So there is the resonance, there is the equilibrium between the structure C and D by shifting of this hydrogen shift from this group to O minus group, and that will convert it into OH, and this will convert it into O minus. After that these electrons are shifted here and now the Cn minus ion will break this bond and take away the electron, and it will convert it again into the cyanide ion, and there is a new bond formation, that is double bond formation between this oxygen atom and this carbon. So this is the formation of a benzoin. Here again we get this benzoin, here. Now what is the actual use of using the CN? Because ये वो benzoin condensation है, it does not take place in another base. Benzoin condensation is not catalyzed. This is not catalyzed. This reaction is not catalyzed by some other, not catalyzed by OH minus base or some other base or other base. So it will take place only by the CN only. So we required only CN. So benzoin condensation is take place only in presence of what? That is the CN minus ion. So why we are using the CN minus ion? First thing, it is a good nucleophile. First important thing that it act as a good nucleophile here. So अगर ये good nucleophile होगा तो क्या होगा? It is added easily. It is added easily into the reaction. That's why we are using this KCN, alcoholic KCN, for benzoin condensation. Another thing that it is an electron withdrawing group. CN is an electron withdrawing group. So what happened? जब अगर ये electron withdrawing group होगा तो which increase the acidity of the CH hydrogen and formation of this A. This A is increases, so leading to the formation of the carbanion A, which is get resonance stabilized by the structure B. So CN will help to formation of this carbanion, this A, and that is stabilized by the structure B. So that's why it is again a very good electron withdrawing group which help to increase the acidity of the CH hydrogen. And the third thing, after formation of all these things, the CN is easily removed from this reaction product. So it is also a good leaving group. It is a good leaving group. It is a good leaving group. So it will remove. So it is easily depart in the last step. We can see it is easily depart in the last step. That's why we are using this KCN or cyanide ion for benzoin condensation. Main thing, it not catalyzed by OH minus or some other bases. Only benzoin condensation is taken place in presence of this KCN molecule. Next condensation or next reaction is Perkin reaction. This is the condensation of aromatic aldehyde again. ये भी aromatic aldehyde का ही condensation है with an acid anhydride. We are using this acid anhydride in this in presence of a base, and the base we are using is the sodium or the potassium salt of acid corresponding to anhydride. So we are using this salt of sodium or potassium, and it will take place in presence of some acid anhydride. Again we are using this benzaldehyde which does not contain the alpha hydrogen. So इसके अंदर भी Perkin में भी we have to remember that one of the reactant, that is aromatic aldehyde, that does not contain, there is no alpha hydrogen atom is there. There is no alpha hydrogen atom, but in this we are using acid anhydride. So it is very close to that of benzoin condensation. वहाँ पर दो बेंजल्डिहाइड का आपस में कंडेंसेशन था इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ KCN और CN माइनस आयन, बट यहाँ पर क्या है, यहाँ पर एक बेंजल्डिहाइड है, उसका रिएक्शन है एसिड एनहाइड्राइड के साथ इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ वीक बेस, So this required a high temperature. यहाँ जो temperature है, that is high temperature is required in this reaction, and this reaction is taken place as in a weak base because it is used with a weak acidic reagents. So we can also use some other bases like pyridine, we can use Na2CO3, but mostly we are using the sodium or the potassium salt of acid. So we are using this potassium salt of acid. Now let's, and जो product बनेगा that will be the alpha beta unsaturated acid. जो भी product बनेगा that will be the alpha beta unsaturated acid. So we get this alpha beta unsaturated acid. So this is the alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon, and there is a unsaturation between alpha and beta. So this is the alpha beta unsaturated acids because it has the COH group is present and it is known as cinnamic acid. So by using benzaldehyde with react with the acid anhydride, we get this cinnamic acid. Now let's see the mechanism of this reaction. Now again, we are using the mild base, that is this. So this will convert it into, we are using this, so it will break up into CH3CO minus and K plus. We are using this CH3CO minus, that is act as a base here. We are using this base. Now when we are using this base, and this is acid anhydride, so obviously these are the alpha carbon that contain the alpha hydrogens, and due to presence of these two carbonyl group, these hydrogens are very acidic in nature. So when we are using this base, it will take away these hydrogens. The base will take away the hydrogen because these are now acidic. These are acidic, and these are more acidic as compared to the aldehyde or ketone because now there are the two carbonyl group and one oxygen atom is also present. So electron withdrawing group, electron will shift it over this oxygen. So all these alpha hydrogens are now more acidic as compared to the aldehyde or the ketone. So this base will take away this hydrogen. So alpha carbon will get this negative charge, and now it becomes again the carbon ion, and this base will convert it into the acetic acid here. Now in second step, now this will act as a nucleophile. This will act as a nucleophile, and again the same process will take place. The electron will shift it over this oxygen, carbon now become electron deficient. So this nucleophile will go to this electron deficient carbon atom here, and now this is formed with having the negative charge on this oxygen atom. In step 3, this product which is formed in above reaction is react with the acetic acid. So acetic acid will provide this hydrogen because now this is more stronger, so it will take away this hydrogen atom from here, and this O minus is converted into this OH group here, into this OH group, plus we get this CH3CO minus. So now this OH and this hydrogen will, when we are heating it strongly, when this is hitting strongly, so again this OH and this O, the shifting of the electrons will take place like this, and removal of water molecule, this OH will remove and H removed, so it becomes the H2O. So electron are shifted over between these two carbons, so it get the unsaturation between these two carbon and form a double bond here. Then it is hydrolyzed, and when we hydrolyze this part of anhydride will break up and it will convert it into this cinnamic acid. This is converted into alpha beta unsaturated acid, and that is known as cinnamic acid. So we get this product, and that is known as alpha beta unsaturated acid.